This is part 2 of becoming an Instagram user on the go. Your next step is navigating and learning Instagram Insights. Go to your profile page and tap the bar chart icon beside your setting icon. It will appear blank if you do not have any posts yet. Considering you have posted a few photos, the information will appear. This page is divided into 5 sections. However, the last section requires you to pay to promote, thus we will not touch upon that. Before going through these sections, there are 3 key points to Insights. First, impression is the total number of times all your posts have been seen. Next is reach, which is the number of unique accounts that have seen your posts. Then you will have profile views and eventually followers. Now, the first section is at the top of the screen. It will show you how many impressions you made for the last 7 days and the differences in number between this week and the last week before. These numbers are basic information on whether you're progressing or regressing that week. The second section provides you with the top most posts in the last 7 days. You may tap the See More icon and be directed to the most popular post you've had over the last 7 days. At default, the topmost photos will be arranged as per their highest number of impressions. You may, of course, filter those arrangements by sliding up the filter option. You can even see individual impressions made by individual posts you have. Simply tap on any of the photos you want to view and tap View Insights underneath the post. Here you have the total number of impressions, reach, and engagement your post is generated. The third section is the Stories section. Creating stories allows you to have a direct impression to your followers. Click the Create New Story and you'll be directed to post one. The last section is the Followers Activity. This bar chart shows you when your followers are most active on Instagram. You can even tap See More icon to view the categorization. You have information of your followers' gender, age, and even location. Plus, you have a bar chart of probability on when your users are most likely to log in hourly and, of course, daily. So, what comes after all this information? If you've just posted several posts already, it's time to evaluate the information you've garnered using Insights. Study your viewers based on your target audience and the actual impressed audience. From there, connect the dots between them and the post.